Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Boiling points of amines depend on their ability to form intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Among isomeric amines, same molecular formula, the extent of hydrogen bonding decreases as the degree of substitution increases. Reasoning. Primary, 1 degree, amines have 2 NH bonds, allowing extensive intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This raises the boiling point significantly. Secondary, 2 degrees, amines have 1 NH bond, allowing less intermolecular hydrogen bonding than primary amines, so their boiling points are lower than 1 degree amines. Tertiary, 3 degrees, amines have no NH bonds at all. They cannot form intermolecular hydrogen bonds with each other. They can only act as hydrogen bond acceptors with water, not donors among themselves. Therefore, intermolecular forces are limited to van der Waals dipole-dipole interactions only, resulting in the lowest boiling point among the 3 isomeric classes. Why other options fail? A. 1 degree amine has the most NH bonds, highest boiling point among isomers, not the lowest. B. 2 degrees amine has 1 NH bond, intermediate boiling point, not the lowest. D. Cannot predict, incorrect because the trend is well established based on hydrogen bonding capacity. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.